Build a fire and gather round the tree. Fill a glass and maybe come and sing with me.
It's day 4 in Langkawi. It's December 27. It's our last full day here. And it's currently 7:08 a.m. Medyo madilim pa. Because yung sunrise today is maybe around 7:30, ganyan. The reason why we're early today kasi mag-hike kami. So, sa waterfalls. So, inagahan namin to avoid the heat and of course, yung crowd din para hindi ganun kadaming tao. And sana open na siya pagdating namin. So 40 minutes naman papunta doon. So hopefully pagdating namin doon ay maliwanag na. It's 7:45 a.m. and we finally made it to Telaga Tujuh. So it will involve hiking. So hopefully ay kayanin ng mga footwear namin kasi hindi na kami magdala ng hiking shoes. Tadaan! So meron sila ditong mga shops, kainan, pero sarado pa. Mga 9 pa magbubukas yan. Mga yan. Bakit pala sa ticketing office, ano na, exercise na agad. Waiting for the counter to open. Aga namin. 8:30 pa officially mag-open. Pero may mga nakita tayo kanina, diba? Dalawang parang foreigner na yun eh. Parang lumusot na lang siguro sila dito sa gate.
Makikita natin yung mga
Yeah.
mabait tayong citizens.
Yeah. Nilabuksan na yung gate. Yay! And open na din yung counter.
Thank you.
So, officially, tayo yung unang pinapasok.
Yeah.
Let's go!
It's time.
It says 560 steps to go. Ano yung anay? Anay nga.
Yeah.
Pababa na kami dun sa unang waterfall. Sobrang tahimik. So peaceful. Sobrang nakaka-relax. Naririnig mo na yung tubig?
Tubig. Yeah.
Diba? Okay ka na? Yan. So we're done with the waterfall. Then akit na kami to the lagoons. Yeah. Okay. We're back on track. Punta kami sa tuktok. And 400 steps to go. $200 steps to go. 100 steps to go. Ten steps to go.
Okay.
40.
Ben, masabi mo?
Oo. Hindi ko nakita eh. Okay. Putol kasi yung 4. Yes, nakikita ko na. Ang dulo. You have reached level 4. Whew! Scared. Pero ba't parang may paakyat pa? We're here. Nandun yung waterfalls na pinuntahan namin una kanina. So, galing yung tubig doon. Pero yung cable car sa Langkawi is doon lang din. Hindi na namin gagawin yan. Glass. Yeah. May part na glass yung bridge na malabo na. Still, maaraw na. Come here, love. Yay. So we're done with this area. Pupuntahan na namin yung pinaka-final target namin, which is the Blue Lagoon. Kasi na yung sawa ko. Nagbabasa pa ng history. Into the jungle na ang peg namin. Yan, pupunta kami doon.
This year, but it's time to let it go. Next year, you never know. But for now, Merry Christmas. We'll dance in the kitchen while embers glow. We've both known love, but this love we got is the best of all. I wish you could see it through my eyes, then you would know. My God, you look beautiful right now. Merry Christmas. The fire is raging on, and we'll all sing along to the song. Just having so much fun while we're here. Can we all spare a thought for the ones who have gone? Merry Christmas, everyone. So just keep kissing me under the mistletoe. Pour out the wine, let's toast and pray for December snow. I know there's been pain this year, but it's time to let it go. Next year you never know.
Literal na inaanay na siya. Sinira ng anay. Ito din. Inaanay na rin yung puno.
Merry Christmas. I feel it when it comes. Every year helping us carry on. Fill up with so much love. All the family and friends are together where we all belong. Merry Christmas, everyone. It's Christmas time.
We're here. Yeah. So, we're done with the Blue Pool, Blue Lagoon. May family doon na nagsuswimming. Pero hindi rin naman namin talaga balak mag-swim. Ano na, nadudulas ka na dyan. Yun na siya. And then, we're gonna hike down na ulit. What can you say? Did you enjoy naman our hiking?
Yeah.
That's good.
Jungle path.
Jungle path. And nakababa na kami. Any thoughts?
Good views. Maganda yung trail. Hindi ka maliligaw.
Papunta sa Blue Pool.
Hindi, kahit sa lahat.
Eh, kasi stairs lang naman yung papunta dun sa ano,
Bagay.
sa taas. Kung maligaw ko pa sa stairs, ewan ko na lang.
Then, properly maintained. Hindi kasing linis nung KL East.
Yeah, iba yun.
Pero-
Privately owned kasi talaga yung
Pero
KL
ano
East.
siya. Pero ano pa rin, maintained pa rin siya.
Yeah, and good thing as a girly na lagi naghahanap ng CR. At every point may CR, di ba? Parang 60% ng nakasalubong namin ngayon is mga puti, no? Or 70%.
Ganun.
70% nga eh. Yeah.
Although ngayon pa nagsisigatingan.
And yun pala, maganda talaga na umaga kaming nagpunta dito. Kasi medyo nasolo pa namin yung mga
Picture
picture spots.
spots.
And ngayon, pababa kami. Yun yung bulto ngayon ng mga paakyat pa lang. So, it's good thing na maaga talaga. So, nag-order lang din kami ng coconut shake. And then may baon kami yung tinapay. Brunch. Ay, hindi.
Snacks lang.
Snacks lang pala. Yes.
Thank you.
Ang kasi sa buko shake.
Wala pala
7
isa.
ringgit.
Ano meron?
Hindi naman kasi ice cream yan. Buko yan.
Ano ka? Meron? Diba?
Ayan.
Vanilla.
Ayan. Ako sa katawan, hindi na.
Hindi.
Sure. Ako nag-a-apply. Sunscreen.
And kukuha siya ng kanin.
Dami na sa kanin.
Yeah.
This is our food. This is mine. It's Nico's. And that's our view. That's Pantay Kok. Doon kami tatambay after mag-lunch.
Well,
Eat well, live.
kuha ka dito.
Yeah.
Manok ba yan?
So that's the beach. Yan. Tambay kami. Hanap kami ng tambayan. So this place is called Hentian Rehat. And then, may mga public toilets here. Hanap kami ng tatambayan dito. Parang nakalagay, no trespassing.
Nakaim din.
Saan?
Magmanda ko dito.
Ito! Camping site to.
Hindi, parang platform yun eh. Nakita.
Baka dun pa. May nakita kami kanina. No trespassing. Pero alam ko kasi public to. Public beach. Wala masyadong tao. So maybe nga, nabili na to lately. Hindi namin alam. Basta tumuloy na lang kami. Pag sinita kami, sabihin namin, foreigner, we don't know. Eme.
Pwede ko yung nagbanda.
Saan? Ayun ito?
Oo, doon.
Hmm.
Kasi may mga doon eh. Mga storehouse.
Gusto mo ba dito sa may mga bato-bato o doon pa sa area na yun?
Kita natin.
Okay. Kasi dito pwede na eh.
Oo.
Pero
Wala
sige,
tayong makan.
balik tayo dito. Okay?
Highway na pala.
I think we found our spot here. Or dun, sa isa pang pine tree. There. No, mas okay dun. Here. This is our spot. That's Di ba lang, wala masyadong, or maaga pa kasi talaga.
Siguro. Piling ko din yung mga puti.
Done with our tambay, pack up na. Then we're just gonna walk sa property. Titingnan namin anong meron din sa dulo doon. So we're just assuming na itong buong property na to hanggang doon is a camping site na parang public, no?
Mukha.
Sila namang humarang sa amin. Although nga, may nakita kaming signage na no trespassing. So this is the Pantay Cok. So yung may puting building na yan, ano na yan, private resort na. Alright, so it's currently 4 p.m. and papunta naman kami ngayon sa Legenda Park and Dataran lang. And then we'll also check duty-free shop na nirecommend ng Grab driver namin kanina na yun daw yung cheapest na duty-free shop here. It's called Billions. So, and more options din daw. Ayan. And nung pagka-uwi namin kanina galing falls, nakatulog, nakapagpahinga. And now, may energy na ulit to go outside. So in our exercise clothes for our walking this afternoon. After walking for I think 10 minutes, nakarating na kami dito sa Legenda Beach. Another beach to explore. Not bad yung beach dito, no? But I don't think ano siya, magandang liguan.
Pwede natin tumambit.
Yeah. White sand. Nice. Oh, there's a clock tower. Sabi kasi nung Grab driver namin kanina, maganda daw yung Legenda Park kasi nakalagay daw doon or mababasa daw doon yung history ng Langkawi. So yung asawa ko, maghahanap yan ng mababasa. 'Di ba? May mga ganun, may history something. Yan hinahanap niya kasi wala siyang mahanap. Alam mo, Lab, ano, i-Wikipedia mo na lang, Google mo na lang yung history.
So kiss me under the mistletoe. Pour out the wine, let's toast and pray for December snow. I know there's been pain this year, but it's time to let it go. Next year you never know. But for now, Merry Christmas. We'll dance in the kitchen while embers glow. We've both known love, but this love we got is the best of all. I wish you could see it through my eyes, then you would know. My God, you look beautiful. Right now, Merry Christmas. The fire is raging on, and we'll all sing along to the song. Just having so much fun. While we're here, can we all spare a thought for the ones who have gone? Merry Christmas, everyone. So just keep kissing
Yung gumagalaw-galaw na yan, monkeys.
Oo nga.
me under the mistletoe. mistletoe. Pour out the wine, let's toast and pray for December snow. I know there's been pain this year, but it's time to let it go. Next year you never know. For now, Merry Christmas. We'll dance in the kitchen while embers glow. We've both known love, but this love we got is the best of all. I wish you could see it through my eyes, then you would know. My God, you look beautiful right now. Merry Christmas. I feel it when it comes. Every year helping us carry on. Filled up with so much love. All the family and friends are together where we all belong. Merry Christmas, everyone.
So this is the current situation here sa Dataran lang. Daming tao. Na kami nakatambay kanina. Babalik kami dyan to watch the sunset. Although overcast. The water is so clear. Excuse me. Bumili siya ng kanyang souvenir. Legenda Langkawi. Alam mo, intindi ko dun sa sinasabi ng Grab driver kanina, Villain Supermarket.
Ako din naman ah.
Ito yung Villain. Parang wala naman akong nare-research na Villain Supermarket dito. Pala Billion.
Actually, pinaka-una village. Tapos village.
Billion Supermarket. Ay, ito lang, masarap to. Candy. Ito oh.
Sakit naman.
Tsaka to, kapag masakit yung lamunan din. Wah, dalawa, isa lang. Puro chocolate naman kasi, no? Walang... Galing na kami dun sa Billion Duty Free Supermarket. Wala kami masyadong nagustuhan kasi puro chocolate naman, eh hindi naman na kami mahilig sa chocolates. But meron tayong dalawang Dubai chocolate na ita-try and then isang candy. Yun lang nabili namin doon. Balik na kami dito sa Legenda Park for sunset watching. Yay! Free pa yung puan. Spot secured for the sunset watching. We're gonna try yung isa sa mga nabili namin dun sa duty free shop. Tropical fruit candies. Okay? How was it?
Ayos naman. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong candy siya. Ayan ang free siya.
Give me. It's good. Hindi ko figure out ano. Hindi ko siya ma-figure out alin dito. Baka ito. Overcast today. So hindi namin nakita yung full sunset. And we're done here na rin sa Legenda Park, and we're going to check out the night market, and then tingin kami ng pwede naming dinner doon din sa hotel na kami kakain. So this part of the park is leading to the beach na naman. May walkway sa may bandang beach. Nice, no? It's a good park.
Direction.
Mm-hmm. So we're done sa park, and meron kaming madadaan ng duty free shop ulit. So papasukin namin kung ano naman ang meron, kung puro chocolate din ba yung tinda nila. This is Rams. But home decor. So, hindi lang naman siya puro chocolates. Meron ding mga cosmetics actually. Mga pabango, ganyan. Yan yung cosmetics. Yan yung fragrance naman. Then, chocolate. Perfume dito sa kanya. Tapos na kami sa duty-free shop. As usual, wala kaming nakita na worth buying for us. So now we're going to the night market, buy food for dinner, then dadaan sa mini mart kasi gusto niya bumili ng beer pa, and then back home na. Asa trentahin, wala nang patience sa mga matadaming tao. Gusto ko nang makaalis dito sa maze na to. My goodness. Okay, last item and we're good to go. We're done sa night market now. Sa mini mart naman, naghahanap ng alak. Walang alak? Halal ba to? Ano ba yan? Dapat pala binili mo na yung mga nakita mo kanina. Walang alak doon. So meron naman kami nakitang duty free shop. Tingnan namin dito. So mahawakan ko na yan. Ikaw na lang pumasok. Eh, kasing presyo lang din niya 2.4. Nakahanap siya sa wakas. Pinay. Finally, makakauwi na. Gutom na ang first one at pagod na. Ang init na yung ulo ko. And we are ready to eat na. So, what we bought is, this is mee goreng with egg and then 4 pieces ng fried chicken, beef curry puff, and then this is also beef. I don't know kung anong klaseng luto. And then we bought rice. And then for dessert, we have kaya puff and pandan puffs. Ayan. So, that's what we will eat. And we will eat with our hands. Hindi na nainit lang. Ayos.
Can we all spare a thought for the ones who have gone? Merry Christmas, everyone. So just keep kissing me under the mistletoe.
Take me to lunch.
Sister.
That's
Hi,
your
Jen.
second
I'm
can
Shannon,
na, no?
show's manager.
Yeah.
That's
And I like to think that
Tsingtao.
Tsingtao. And then the person is Sapporo.
I would say-
Japanese, Chinese.
Yeah.
I get it, sorry. I know it must be hard for
I'm
two people
watching.
who grew up in the inner city and are
Why?
rebellious.
Ginudge natin kung Chinese, hindi natin
Laws
alam.
or rules, understood?
Mukha
Sounds
naman
like.
Chinese.
Good.
Chinese din yung nakasunod.
Understood. Understood.